Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unhide likes on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to unhide likes on Thread app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to unhide likes on Thread app. So today I am going to show you how to unhide likes on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unhiding likes on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unhide likes on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And now these post likes are hidden. We don't know how many people likes these posts. So first of all, click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and in this new screen click on menu icon in the right top corner, and now click on privacy and then click on hide likes, and it will redirect to your Instagram profile. Now click on toggle button to turn it off, and it can also applies on Instagram also. And now you can see how much people likes post on Thread app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unhide likes on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.